Hey, if you want to change time on your Redmi Watch 4, you can only do this by using your smartphone. So in this watch, there's like no option to change it. Take a look. It's 5 a.m. on my watch, and the same time I can find on my smartphone, 5 a.m. So now when I click on the automatic date and the time, I can find that it's actually 2 p.m. And now when I bring my watch, I can also find the same time, 2 p.m. It's actually 8 past 2. So all you have to do is just to grab your smartphone and you have to go into the settings. In this video I'm actually using the Samsung smartphone, and you will have to locate the time settings. So in the most cases it will be actually located in the general management, but if for some reason you cannot find it, you can just click on the search bar at the top of the settings and input time phrase. Then just open the date and the time, and from here you can adjust date and time for your phone and for your watch. There's like no way to set the different time on your watch and different time on your smartphone. That's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel.